How to delete your Poly AI or formerly known as PolyBuzz account. Now this method is very easy and it's just a few clicks away and you're done. So of course the very first thing that you want to do is to access your PolyBuzz application, and then in here make sure that you're already logged in the account where you would like it to be deleted. Now at the lower right portion of your screen you should be able to see a profile icon. Simply tap on that. And then going back into the top right hand portion of your screen, you should see a gear icon. Tap once. Then here, you should be able to see language, pure mode, voice, use system font size, push notification, promo code account, and about us. For you to be redirected into your account settings, choose on account, and this is where you could actually delete it. But take note that to protect your interest, account deletion must meet the following conditions, such as no ongoing membership or services with the current account. And then total coins balance in the current account is less than 100. If you've done that, just simply tick this box here and then choose on delete. Choose on delete once again, and you should be able to successfully remove and delete your account. And that's how you delete your Poly AI or PolyBuzz account.